Hey, it's Rick with Gardening with Barchuckin. Hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to hop in the worm bin, show you what's been going on. My moisture's been a little high, so I removed the bubble wrap to see if I can help dry it out, because I actually had some worms crawling up the sides for a little bit. I've been going a little heavy with the watermelon, so I think that's kind of one of the causes, but I already have it pulled out, so I'm going to add it today, and then I'm going to go kind of for maybe a week or two just lettuce and other things like that, so it kind of gives them a little bit of a break. It gives them something else to break down and eat. So let's hop in the bin. Under here there should be, I believe, 2 peaches, and then I think there was some lettuce under this side, and some of the pieces that were from my grandfather's houseplants. Yeah, so there's the houseplant material there. You can see they're eating the coffee filter. Yeah, this definitely needs a good turning to incorporate some air. And then I've been adding paper because of how wet the watermelon has been. There's the pit for the peach. Okay, I'll grab the food. I have some cucumber peels and some watermelon. I'm gonna place a little bit down the castings. I'm gonna put that down. There's the peach pit. I got a paper towel roll and an egg carton that I just ripped up. Some coffee grounds. There's the cucumber peels. They were frozen and then thawed. And then the watermelon, same thing, frozen then thawed. And we're going for our grit. Some peanut shells. Some sand. And some ground up eggshells, and then just go to cover everybody back up. And last but not least, place the coffee filter where we fed. Like I said, because of how wet this has been, I'm not going to go ahead and cover it up. I'll just kind of let them go. Like I said, they were all crawling up on the sides, and I had about 5 or 6 by the rim of the lid maybe last week. So I was like, let me keep the plastic off. That seemed to help dry it out a bit, and there was nobody on the sides when I opened it up today. So, well, thank you all for watching. Have a great day.